All right, in this video, you are given a kite with some dimensions inside the interior of the shape. We are given 5 for this distance, 12 for this distance, and 6 for this distance. And what we're going to use is the Pythagorean theorem to find our missing side lengths. So we know we have congruent sides here and here, and here and here, and we're going to be able to find the distance of those by using the Pythagorean theorem. So let's break that down. The Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and we can use it when we are dealing with a right triangle. I'm just going to draw this triangle right here off to the side. What we're dealing with is a right triangle because we know when we have diagonals of a kite, they're going to create perpendicular lines. So we have a 90-degree angle here, which means we are allowed to use the Pythagorean theorem, and we have legs of 5 and 12, so we can plug these two values in for a and b, work it out to find this distance that we're missing in our kite. So 5 squared plus 12 squared equals c squared. 5 squared is going to give you 25 plus 144 equals c squared. You're going to combine these two values here, giving you 169 equals c squared. Square root, which is the inverse operation to eliminate that exponent of 2, square root on the other side. 13 is our value for c, which was this missing distance right here. So we have 13 that goes right there. And when we're dealing with a kite, we know that if this side is 13, this side here has to also be 13 because those sides are congruent. Now, how would we find this missing side? Well, we already know that this triangle right here is also going to have a 90-degree angle to it. So we're dealing with a 6 by 5, 6 by 5, not drawn to scale. And we need to find the hypotenuse here as well. So 6 squared, 5 squared, 6 squared plus 5 squared equals c squared. It's going to give you 36 and 25. 36 and 25 are going to combine together and make 61. We're going to take the square root, just like we did over here, to inverse operate. And so we now know c is equal to root 61. That would be our distance here. Root 61, because these two sides are congruent when dealing with a kite. Hopefully this makes sense. Study hard and good luck on your upcoming test.